Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today in today's newspaper of Saturday, May the 28th, 2022. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. 2 of them I have also already solved, the 3 stars and the binary. And for today, this will be my last puzzle. Tomorrow on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the rest of the puzzles I will do tomorrow on Sunday. But first, this Tectonic number 4619. Yes, let me this is 4619. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. If it's really a 4 stars, we will see. But 14, I guess it's an easy one. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box are always a 1. Here a 1, there 1. Dual boxes, can we see here dual boxes? See here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box, I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order the 2 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here also, at this side, 4 or a 5. But we see here 4, so it can be a 4 anymore, so this box should be a 5. Okay, triple box, more triple boxes? No, quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. The T shape. Yeah. When you see the T shape, this is upside down, the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right, the T shape. All right, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 3. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. All right, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 3. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, here, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, or is this the last one? No, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Okay, we have the L shape here. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. The maximum of those shapes are 6 that you need to recognize, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right, these 3 boxes surround a 1 cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround a 1 cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 1 and 3. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, but oh, this box is connected with that box, so it should be a 3, huh? Okay. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 2, there can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. Here cannot be a 1, we have a 1 there, but also there cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So 2 boxes left, a 4 and a 5. Okay, let me mark those 4 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. It can be 2. Can it be 3? We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 5. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4 and a 5. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4 because it's in a quadra box, so 2 numbers left For the quadrat box for numbers 2 and 3, let me mark those, 2 and 3. That means that those two boxes can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. The other pair in this area should be for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be, overlook this one. This box is connected with that box, and that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 4, okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, okay. Well, let me see. I'm thinking. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box. Wait. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Okay, let me go down. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 final numbers in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. I've told you. 14 printed digits should be an easy one. So is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. Publisher, 1 indication. It's not a 4 stars. It's not a 4 star. It's a 1 star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. No, not later, tomorrow. Because this will be my last puzzle of today. And tomorrow we don't have newspaper, so I will do the rest of the 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.